If I have ever met or interacted with Mr. Josie Banyoni, Mr. Vusi Matlala, and Mr. Manda Mngina, and to provide full details of the meetings, interactions, including details of those present at each and the location and the purpose of each such meetings. I have never met, interacted with Mr. Josie Banyoni, Mr. Vusimuzi Matlala, and Mr. Manda Mngina for whatsoever reasons.
Do you know of them, though? Any of those individuals?
The one that I know, I've never met with him, it's Mr. Josie Banyoni. He used to work with my brother in the taxi industry when they were establishing Salta. They were together in the taxi industry. That's the only person that I know.
But you never met him?
I've never met with him or interacted with him.
And the other two gentlemen, apart from perhaps what we know from the media?
I don't know them.
Thank you.
Indicate whether I have any interest.
So just last question.
Yeah, sorry.
Because you did mention in the beginning about the business, and now you just mentioned again the taxi business. Are you still in the taxi business? Are you in the taxi business?
The family that is in the taxi business.
So
the family business.
Thank you. We can proceed.
Indicate whether I have any interest in or relationship with any of the following companies or close cooperation, whether directly or indirectly, or any other shareholders and directors. Kubis 85 Solution, I don't have any interest or relationship, whether directly or indirectly, with any of their shareholders or directors. Ngapesheya Construction and Project, I don't have any interest in the company directly or indirectly. However, I know Peggy Nkosi as a younger brother to Sergeant Nkosi. Triotic Protection Services, I don't have any interest in the company or relationship directly or indirectly. 2Corp Insecurity Services, I don't have any interest in the company or relationship directly or indirectly. Vimtsiri Security and Protection Services, I don't have any interest in the company or relationship directly or indirectly. El Shaddai Security Services, I don't have any interest in the company or relationship directly or indirectly. Any other bidder in risk.
Before you continue, I just want us to get some clarity on three companies. Let's start with Ngapesheya. Part of the question is that, do you have any relationship with their shareholders or directors? And perhaps extend to employees by virtue. Would you accept that for a moment that you do have at least a relationship with Ngapesheya through Peggy Nkosi, because you did consider him as at least close family member?
I think I indicated that I know him as a younger brother, but I don't have interest in the company directly or indirectly that perhaps I benefit financially, but I do know Peggy Nkosi.
Yes, no, we're not yes, asking that. We're saying at least there is a relationship there.
Yes.
And if there was to be evidence that Sergeant Nkosi was doing some work for Ngapesheya, would you also accept that on that score, you would also have a relationship with someone who, if there is evidence, who also does some work for Ngapesheya?
Yes.
Thank you. And then the next company there, it's Triotic Protection Services. I think it's an open secret that it is somehow, or it was somehow, linked to one Mr. Bonzo Mudise.
Yes.
I think his middle name is Eugene.
Yes.
And I don't want to take it further than that. The only question I want to ask you is that, do you have any relationship or interaction with Mr. Modise?
It's only when we go to MECO meetings that I'll meet him, but I don't have any relationship or interactions with him, Mr. Modise.
Okay, thank you. And then the last company there would be, that I want us to discuss, would be the very last one, Al Shaddai Security Services. You have testified that you don't know any, you don't have any relationships.
Yes.
Would that extend to the employees of Al Shaddai?
Yes.
And former employees?
Yes.
Okay. Then can we move to the next topic?
Before we move, can you just expand on 31.1, Commissioner? Good morning. Because all you say there is you have no interest in the company directly or indirectly. However, I know Becky Nkosi as a younger brother of Sergeant Nkosi. So what does that have to do with Ngapesheya? Did you know that Mr. Becky Nkosi is the owner or has interest in Ngapesheya?
Yes, Commissioner. Sergeant Nkosi approached me to assist him, as I indicated earlier on.
Assist with what?
With tender document.
For Ngapesheya?
Yes.
And he told you that it's his brother's company?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you have to say concerning this video? I hope you heard everything. Drop your opinion or comments in the comment section so that others will learn from your comments. I really appreciate your time for watching my videos. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates like this, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so that when next I publish a new video, you will get notification. See you in the next one, and bye.